County Police.
Huh?
County Police, we saw you sleeping in here, man.
What?
So make sure you're alright, man.
My mom live right here.
You're sleeping with the car and drive.
We're just talking to you.
Bro, my mom live right here. Why are you walking up like...
You don't need to
Huh?
scream, man. We're just trying to help you out.
I'm okay. My mom live right here.
Alright, well, we're just out here, man, looking for stolen cars. We see you sleeping and you got weed sitting right there.
There's weed all over, man.
Make sure you're alright.
Bro, I'm not... My car not stolen.
Nobody said it was. We just said that's why we're out here.
That's why we're out here. We're looking for stolen cars.
Alright, well, my mom live right here.
I'm gonna just pull them out real quick.
No problem.
Hop out for me real quick, man.
Dude, just cooperate. Okay, this is gonna be very easy.
If it's just weed, we don't give a shit.
Don't reach, man. Just hop up real quick.
That's all it is.
Okay. Do me a favor. Just hop out for me, man.
I found my buddy. Just relax.
Yo. Yo. Here, I'll keep back here. Myself, we're out with a suspicious vehicle, Rosemont Avenue, East 27. Just give us a tow 100 per second. Stop the fucking car! Don't fucking do it! Don't do it! Do it! Don't do it! Shots fired. Stop! Stop!
Shots fired.
Stop!
We'll be on Rosemont. It's dead end here.
County Police, don't move. Don't move.
What's up? You're sleeping. We're trying to talk to you. Rod?
Yeah. Yo, what's up, Corporal County Police?
Huh?
We saw Corporal County Police. We saw you sleeping in here, man.
My mom.
Right, man.
My mom live right here.
All right, relax.
Making sure you're all right,
We're
man.
just talking to you.
Bro, my mom live right here. Why are you walking up like...
Just relax, all right?
Help you out.
I'm okay. My mom live right here.
All right, well, we're just out here, man, looking for stolen cars. We see you sleeping and you got weed sitting right there. We saw we made contact, make sure you're all right.
Bro, I'm not... My car not stolen.
Nobody said it was. We just said that's
We're
why
out there
we're
looking.
here.
That's why we're out here. We're looking for stolen cars.
All right,
Okay?
bro. My mom live right here.
No problem.
Why?
Dude, don't resist. Just cooperate. Okay, this is gonna be very easy. Just cooperate.
If it's just weed, we don't give a shit about weed.
That's all it is.
Okay, if that's all it is, that's all
No
it is.
worries, man. Hop out, my buddy. Dude, just relax. Whoa, don't leave.
Don't do it. Don't do
Dude,
it.
don't leave it. Don't leave. Don't leave, motherfucker. Fleeing from us, he's backing up. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
Don't fucking do it! Don't do it!
Do it! Don't do it!
Dispatch.
Stop!
Shots fired.
Stop!
We'll be on Rosemont. It's dead end here.